Many politicians, many political parties, and many member states of the Union should learn from you. With a healthy economic growth that is well above the EU average, again, this is not the case in the majority of the member states. These things do not happen on their own like that. They are no coincidence. They require strong and serious leadership. It demands courage. It demands a lot of courage to be a good European today. And again, you have a perfect performance. It was your party and your government that led Malta successfully into the European Union this month, 8 years ago. And again, it was your party and your government that led Malta into the Eurozone. They are respected, they are highly respected. They are highly respected by all the other national delegations, and they have, and this is for me the most important, they have a huge impact on European legislation.